if you're coming from part one, you saw my skin products that I bought. Now I'm going to show you the makeup. So for makeup, I am trying something new. I've tried a lot of Urban Decay stuff, but I've never really tried their foundation or concealers. So I went to go treat myself, and I bought myself 2 products. I bought the foundation, which is the Face Bond. I'm in the color 24 medium neutral. Looks like this. I haven't tried it yet because I want to try it on camera with you guys. So we'll see when we do it. I think maybe now that it's summer and I'm getting a little bit of sun, it may be the best fit, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll see once I try it. And then this is the Stay Naked Quickie Concealer. This is in the 60 Double N Medium Dark Neutral. I don't know about this one. Like I said, I need to try these products, and I want to try them on camera so you guys can see them. Look at this. Look at this first. Let's talk about this beautiful packaging. And it comes with the little applicator in the top, which I like. And then, wait, sorry. And then, how do you open it? Give me a minute. So I couldn't open it. So, but you get the drift. It says, like, you see, it has the little applicator on the bottom. I tried to twist it. I don't know if it's too hard, tight. I don't freaking know. We'll get to it eventually. This is the Fluff Up Brow Wax from Benefit Cosmetics. I haven't tried it. I still haven't tried it. I got to try it on camera with you guys. I don't know exactly. I wanted to get, like, a wax one that's gonna make them laminated, but I don't know if this one is going to be that, because it has like that white particles. Can you see it? So I don't know. We'll see. Then okay, so I was watching my podcast. I was watching the You Should Know podcast. You guys should really check it out. They're so funny. Anyways, I love them so much. In the middle of that, there was a ad. You know how it is. And there was a Sephora ad, and they had this one. This is the Sephora Size Up Extreme Volume Mascara, and it's in the color blue. This is what sold me. It's so freaking pretty. I already tried it. It was beautiful. Forgot to take a picture, but we'll get there. And then I bought just the Black is Black, you know, just to have both of them. Then also one of my favorites, the One Size Until Dawn. I use this to set my makeup, and it works beautifully. My makeup lasts forever when I use it. Foundation brush that I needed. I needed a new one, and I got the Sephora one. This is the number 70, I believe. Yeah, the number 70. Like it. It's been working. And that's it. That is my Sephora haul. I will try to record everything separately so you guys can see the results on it. And yes, thank you so much for sticking around, and I'll see you in the next one.